mostly cloudy. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Chattanooga Police Department for BROWEN Connor. BROWEN is a 2-week-old white male 19 inches, 6 pounds, with brown hair and blue eyes. BROWEN was last seen wearing an orange ONESIE in the area of 5600 BRAINARD Road in Chattanooga, Tennessee. BROWEN may be with his non-custodial mother, COTI Connor. Connor is wanted by the Chattanooga Police Department for especially aggravated kidnapping. The two may be traveling in a 2002 black Ford Escape with Tennessee tag 1M18R6. If you have seen BROWEN, COTI Connor or this vehicle, please contact Chattanooga Police Department at 423-698-2525 or TBI at 1800 TBI FI North D.